Democratic Alliance origins formed in 2000 via a merger of the Democratic Party (DP) and New National Party (NNP) and Federal Alliances. Traces roots back to the anti-apartheid Progressive Party 1959, official opposition since 1999. Link. I have proof, so you can go up and find ideology. Centrist liberal with social liberal and conservative liberal tendencies. Advocates an open opportunity society emphasizing market-driven growth. Member of the Liberal International. There's a link. Key policies: oppose land expropriation, expropriation without compensation. Supports the willing buyer with limited reform. Basic income grant, it's a 110 rand per month for low learners and social welfare tied to conditions, e.g. social attendance. Anti-corrupt, pro-business reform and deregulation of labor laws. Foreign policies: pro-Western, critical of ANC's Russia and China. Now let me dive and engage fisherman in a gulu. So foreign IPDA is pro-Western, which means tanda ndo mangathi tanda it's a better on the deep one boy. Like tanda America yabo Western xa sithi west and as west America yabo with Trump. So the DA is very critical of ANC Trump. Okay, let me serious. Critical of ANC's Russia and China. So I tell you Tina sengumzansi sidibane neChina neRussia, which means if or maybe DA kanophatha yona ingavana kune West yabo no Trump nechomi zakhe yabo ezinole ziyephu abayithandi leba sifana noPutin, the legendary Putin. I respect Putin. I'm Putin and what's China man Xi Jinping. Voters base predominantly Afrikaner, English speaking whites, colored and Indian communities plus urban Middleside. Voters strong in Cape Town, strong in Western Cape, 53% in 2024, and parts of Gauteng limited black. So if EDA ivotela abantu abangakanani ngathi kukho imoto ezondivakashela ngubani lo iyagqitha let sibe lapha. So ivotela ntoni? Ngabe Afrikaner. Say proud me bro, say fuck. I'm an English speaking white yabo. I will vote for the DA obviously. Makhaladi asavo for DA for Indian communities. I'll vote for DA. I'll vote for yabo. Then go part limited black yabo. Umuntu othi andikiwe ensima ngomnqonde ensima ndivote nge hu. So yeah, iloo nto nansi into abantu baxa sivota kule 2024 nansi uzasifundela ndicebisa xa sivota kulo votwa nini kulo nyaka ozayo okanye unyaka ngapha ozayo sibe siyazi uba who are you putting in power, my friend. Challenges challenges perceived as prioritizing white interest, limiting black voter appeal, tensions with the ANC over the BEE and Labour policies, balancing GNU cooperation with opposition. So kuthiwa yona yabona ithanda kakhulu intoni white interest, into ezincanywa ngabantoni ngabamhlophe, yona ilimita ntoni black voter. Wasigqitha madoda ndifuna uthetha kodwa ndifuna uthetha but ndifuna uthetha.